Welcome to AI Product Development, where we explore the same process, just 10 times faster. We are Future Neurons AI Academy, and we are here to help you learn, build, and innovate. Building great products remains a challenge. You can move fast and potentially misstep, or move carefully and risk losing your market advantage. Remember, AI does not remove the steps. It simply collapses the time each step takes. The process does not change. We follow 5 rigorous stages, but now every stage runs at AI speed. Our channel provides a dedicated series for each of these stages. Stage 1 is Empathize, focusing on AI-accelerated user research. By using tools like Dovetail or Claude, you can turn raw interviews and data into actionable patterns in minutes rather than days. Stage 2 is Define. This stage uses AI to accelerate problem framing and PRD creation, transforming messy research into a sharp, actionable one-page document in about 30 minutes. Stage 3 is Ideate, or AI-accelerated brainstorming. Here, you can generate a wide range of concepts and narrow them down to the best ones, using structure rather than just inspiration. Stage 4 is Prototype, which introduces AI-accelerated vibe coding. You can move from a PRD to a real, clickable prototype in under an hour, without needing an engineering team. Finally, Stage 5 is Test. Use AI to accelerate usability testing by analyzing user sessions and stress testing your concepts with synthetic AI personas before you commit your budget. We share new videos every week covering these stages at AI speed. Subscribe to Future Neurons AI Academy to learn, build, and innovate with us.